Protecting my peace for so long.
A bird. Oh, look at him, y'all. This hardly ever happens. I've been in this house 3 years. Oh my gosh. A bird has never came this close to the window like that. I know this guy. Hey, bird. Hey, y'all. So, we made it to 2024. By the time I get this video posted, everybody gonna be already celebrated and all of that good stuff. So I just want to say Happy New Year. I really hope that your year is filled with a lot of love, joy, peace, happiness, good health, money, wealth, all of that stuff. Or whatever your heart simply desires. Because I'm saying all of that, but you may not even really want all that for real. Like some of y'all might just want peace and only peace, joy and only joy. So either way, I hope that you get every little thing that your heart desire this year. I'm really happy that we made it into a new year because yeah, it's like I said in my video, it's just something about having a fresh start. And I'm excited. I'm super excited just to see how things go. I have spent today really just not doing too much of nothing. I made me a little smoothie. I wanted to record it, but I didn't think about recording it really until after I made it. I'm kicking off the year trying to make better choices. So anyway, I want to redo this wall. So the rest of this video probably just gonna be me putting me a new fresh message on my wall. So this is the message that I currently have up on the wall. Everything will work out for your good, and yes, it will. Trying to see what I wanted to say now. Now I'm wondering what I wanted to say. Maybe cheers. Ooh, cheers to new beginnings. Cheers to new beginnings. Yeah, I like how it is. Okay, we're gonna go with all cursive. pull over because my truck is not defrosted all the way. Like, my glass is still frozen. I poured water on it. That probably wasn't my fault because I did water out of the car. Let me see if this water works. Just thought about it. Because the water I did was, that I poured was cold. Look, it's frozen yogurt. I should have got some hot water from home. The defrost ain't kicking in. Like a friend. The back look good. It's the front. Groceries. Yeah. Oh, it's already Wednesday. Already the third day of the year. And you know what time it is. I'm about to go out here with the birds and the deer and whatever else. I'm gonna let it get a little bit more lighter outside though. Probably gonna go warm my truck up for about a good 15-20 minutes and then it should be a little bit lighter.
Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back.
My truck should be good and warmed up by then. Hopefully. It's cold, y'all.
Baby, take me back, baby, 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 take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me
here done broke my darn little stand thingy. The leg broke completely out. This little thing cheaply made anyway. I think I got it from like Amazon. It's all good. That ain't gonna stop me. This the only little small one I have, but I got a bunch of big ones, so no worries. Life give you, throw you lemons when I tell y'all we gotta make lemonade. Gotta keep going. Gotta keep going, gotta keep going.
Hello, Betty. How are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
You need to update your knowledge about these things so that you can help. These things help us in your knowledge about your testing materials and help us to clear all things in futures.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you for that. I do, I really do. I'm excited. We're in a new year now, so you're right, I need to continue learning, so definitely gonna keep doing it.
Basically, in jobs, regression testing and smoke testing is going smoothly.
Yeah.
But when you need to switch and suddenly you remember you need to switch in 1 or 2 months, then these things are unable and hard to learn at
Yeah.
a fast pace.
Right.
Sounds good.
Brittany? Hey, good morning. So yesterday, I spent the day retesting bugs with the moments and the genre on mobile and other things that Samantha had me checking out. And today, whatever Samantha I can get with you, or we can get with each other afterwards to see what all I need to test or look at today. So that's it for me.
All right, thanks, Brittany.
What's up, y'all? It's Friday. So excited that it's Friday. I feel Friday ain't the only day that I'm super excited, but I am grateful to make it through the first week of 2024. So I gotta wash my hair. I'm gonna go get me some little press on nails. I'm just gonna have like a self-care weekend or day. So I don't know if I'm gonna do everything today or tomorrow or Sunday, but I'm gonna take y'all with me to Walmart. I'm gonna go get me some press-ons. I'm gonna go buy me a little face mask thingy and do me a facial, and I'm gonna wash and do my hair. Let's get to it. I'm about to go for my little walk and get the day started. Almost there. I come in Walmart to do a return. I bought my baby some pants and they just too little because he's so long. So yeah, I'm bringing them back. Good morning. How are you? That's good. I need to return these pants if you don't mind. Oh no, you're fine. Here we go. You doing all right this morning?
Oh, yeah. I'm tired. I am so tired. I need a cup of coffee just to get me up and going.
All right, you too. No worries. Have a good one. All right, so we already made the return. The money's going back on my card. I I didn't get a boogie, so you know what that means. I am not gonna overspend. That's exactly what that means. All right, so I'm about to get me some. See what look I want to go with. It's feeling like these. They be cute. All right, now to the facials. Trying to see which one I'm gonna go with. This is the one. I've done both of them before. And I think that one. So let's see. I'm gonna do this one again. I'm gonna go with these two. I don't think it's anything else I need. I might go look at for some more pants for my baby. Oh yeah, I know I'm probably gonna wanna unwind and soak in the tub this weekend. So I'm gonna re-up on my Dr. Teal's because I'm out of that too. So the one I usually get is this one. I usually get the Epsom salt, but I'm not gonna get it this time. I'm just gonna get the oil, which supposedly has Epsom salt in it, so that's a win-win. I'm so proud of myself. So I got my two face masks, my press-on nails, and my shea butter oil. Let's see if I can find my baby some pants long enough. He's so tall. I don't know about this green, but I don't know. 8s are just not long enough for him anymore. That's why I want Dad to go buy most of his clothes, because I order online, and that's probably what I'm gonna do. Okay, y'all, one more thing. I told y'all I wanted to start to get some pillows for my bed. This little pillow right here, I gotta have it. And then I'm gonna add more to the collection as I go. Not today though. Ooh, reserved for the dog. Nah, we ain't got no dogs. Okay, yeah, I like this. All right, let's go. Alright, got my stuff. I ain't do too bad considering sometimes I come in Walmart and spend over $100. So I'm proud of me. Woo! Proud of me. First off, I would like to thank me for being me. First off, I would like to thank me for being me. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you up to?
We have some money. They let me have some money right now.
Today might be your lucky day.
Yeah, they will let me have none. They let me have it then.
Okay. All right, so I always keep my receipts because I use the Fetch app, and it allows you, like, if you keep up with your receipts at certain stores, take a picture and you can get points, and then you can use those points. You can get, like, gift cards for Amazon or whatever store they have on there as you accumulate points. I'll put the link to this app in the description if y'all want me to. If y'all want to download it and use it and try it, I be saving all type of money. Like, I get $10 gift cards to Amazon. I let mine build up, and I do like $10 at a time, which this year we trying to save, do better financially, make better financial choices, all of that good stuff, okay? So, yeah, it's the Fetch app. And so you just take a picture of the receipt, and then you, it's probably too light, but you accumulate points. So I just got 25 points at Walmart. Chicka-ching. So my baby is gone back to school. He went back yesterday. I was intending on getting some of that footage, but it's been wild trying to get back in the routine. But he gone back to school, so I'm about to pull over to McDonald's right quick and get my stepson some breakfast, because he's still at the house. He go back to school next week. So yeah, we'll get some breakfast.
Good morning, welcome to McDonald's. You're going to be using the mobile today?
No, not today. Good morning.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna do the 2 for $4 bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle.
Okay. Anything else?
That'll be all.
Okay, it's going to be $4.80 for Sunday.
Thank you. So I got them 2 sandwiches. Good morning. How are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
I'm good. Here you go. Have a good day today, okay?
Alright.
They need to come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Let the good times roll. Good morning. You got some grape jelly? Thank you. Hey, you have the best day today. Don't let nobody get in your way today, okay? All right, bye. I really need to go get some gas. But if I go that way, I'm going to have to turn back around and go that way. Shoot. Let me see. Can I do this? Okay. I did some crazy stuff just then. Sometimes I crack myself up, because what I just did, I could have got my block knocked off. I'm surprised they didn't start blowing, because baby, these people out here in Georgia, they be having road rage. Do you hear me? When I say they be honking, laying on them horns, they be laying on them horns, baby. For real. I almost made you love me. I almost made you cry. Didn't I? Over here. Almost had you thinking you were finally free. Made it to the gas station. So if y'all saw on my Christmas vlog, I ran out of gas. First time ever running out of gas. I ran out of gas. I forgot I have ran out of gas one other time, but that was not on me. I was working for a school district, and I had to drive the work van to a school. And so by the time I got halfway down the road, I stopped at the light. And what happened was, somebody cut the gas line and stole the gas out the truck. So that's what ended up happening. So that was not on me. But other than that, this is the first time, that was the first time in my life that I had ran out of gas because of me yeah, it was just a bad decision. It's all, I take full responsibility for that. I can't say nothing. Like, I can't blame nobody. That was all on me. So yeah, I'm low on gas and I'm about to get some. Usually I try to make it home and then go back, but I'm not playing around with this truck, because I am not trying to be sitting on the side of the road again because my butt was being lazy and just didn't want to go pump no gas. So I'm finna give me some gas. got a packet from Amazon. Can y'all guess what it is? I be so excited to get packages. Do y'all be like that? I be so excited. So guess what I got? I broke my other little tripod the other day when I was walking. That mug just broke, but it was cheap. So I spent a few more extra dollars and got this one. Something I can carry around. It's big. It's a lot bigger. So it's longer. Alright, so that's that. I'll put that together later. And one more thing that I'm super excited about. This is a savings booklet. Oh, it's so cute. So it's $1,000 savings challenge booklet, but I'm gonna double it up. So whatever it says to do per week, I'ma double it. So as you can see, well actually, so it's okay, so it's 40s. So if you can see here, it's $40. So, and then it ain't really a weekly thing. I guess the challenge is to just save $1,000. So I liked it. I'm gonna try to double it up. So instead of doing 40s, I'm gonna try to do 80. And I guess I'm gonna break down how I wanna do it. Count how many little slots we got, and then see how I wanna do it per month. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it monthly. But anyway, those are my Amazon finds. I'm excited, especially to start using this. And it's so small. I could put it in my purse or hide it under my bed or hide it somewhere where I just won't be constantly going into it. And then I'm probably just, I'm excited just to see, like, put the money in there and then just walk off. And before I know it, look up and be like, dang, he got $2K in this mug. There you go. David Busters with the Busters. Dave and Busters. Ooh, I like the view. How does it feel, baby? So I just washed my hair. A bit of leave-in conditioner. Rub it all in. Now I'm going to add some wrapping foam. Put it.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah.
Alright, I got it laid down how I want it for the most part. Now I'm about to tie it down. I don't use the wraps. I have used them before, but when I ran out, I just didn't ever buy me anymore. So I use scarves to tie it down. Really good.
Big realize I don't go. Never been sure, no, I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me. Yeah.
So I ended up getting distracted. I didn't even stay under the dryer a whole 30 minutes, probably like 15 minutes. But I'm hungry now, so I'm about to fix me some lunch. And then we're gonna see what it's looking like after that.
Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby.
Alright, y'all, so I'm doing like a homemade chipotle bowl. And I had a taste for the sweet potato, so I added that in. I have on the side. I have to add me a few hemp seeds on top. My avocado. I love avocados.
I love avocados. Dang, everybody drunk all the Pepsi.
And hummus.
Mom, the last.
And then I top it off with this Chick-fil-A avocado lime ranch, which I'm gonna start trying to make my own. Okay, so now it's time to eat. I got my food prep, gonna eat me a little lunch. Then we're gonna see what this hair looking like. So I got my own little homemade chipotle bowl. Y'all saw what I put on it. Got rice, beans, sauteed bell peppers and onion, corn, romaine lettuce, avocado, hummus, hemp seeds, avocado lime dressing, and then I got me a sweet potato because I had a taste for it. Lord bless this food. I pray it is nourishment to my body. Ashe, amen. One spoon.
You
Oh,
literally wasted
I can't forget my
1 minute.
I have to get my cucumber water. That's good, y'all. Alright, y'all, so that was so good. I'm glad I got to eat. Let's look at the hair. I did not stay under the dryer long. I ended up getting distracted. Came from up under there. So I don't even know what it's looking like. But let's see. Oh, let's do it. Yeah. Oh, let's do it. Hey. Oh, let's do it. Hey. Oh, let's do it. Yeah. These are the end results. Honestly, I'm trying to see if I want to curl it today. Spray a little shine on it. I'm gonna just wear it like this. Just tie it down. I may curl it tomorrow, but I don't feel like curling it today because I'm not finna do nothing. Like, if I was going somewhere, I probably would. But since I'm not going nowhere, I don't think I'm gonna curl it. Just wear it like this around the house for today. About to put my nails on. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the facial. I'm gonna go ahead and do the facial. Like, why not? I ain't doing nothing else. I'm gonna do it, and while it's sitting, I'm gonna do my nails. So let's kind of get the scarf out the way a little bit. All right, I'm excited. I'm excited. Which one am I invited? I'm excited. Which one am I invited? All right, so since I'm drinking cucumber water, we gonna go with green tea plus activated charcoal 2-in-1 purifying system with and these are the steps. Step 1 is a deep cleanser, gently remove surface dirt and impurities with cooling cucumber and antioxidant-rich green tea. And step 2, since it's a 2-in-1 purifying system, step 2 is a pore purifying face mask. Deeply purifies the deeply purifies the skin of dirt and impurities with activated charcoal, green tea, and cooling cucumber. We're going with this one. All right, so step 1, wash your face with warm water. Apply cleanser in soft circular motion to gently remove surface dirt and impurities, prepping your pores for the masking stage. Okay. Let's get into it. Now I need to stand up.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow.
All right, first hand done. I'm already feeling Yeah, I wanted to kind of talk about press-on nails because I really didn't get deep into it, but I used to stay in the nail salon all the time, and it's nothing wrong with it, I promise. I still will go if I feel like I just need that, you know what I'm saying? If I just need to go get relaxed and get my feet rubbed on and get catered to. Like, I still will book me a nail appointment, okay? Or go to the nail salon. It's just now I choose to do press-ons. I mean, for one, it's quicker. Of course, they do pop off, but sometimes they last a good week without even popping off. And I just keep my glue on me. If they do pop off, I just glue them back on. And it just works for me. So, with that being said, it's just what I do right now. I can order so many little sets at a real reasonable price and glue them on, whatever color, whatever style, whatever design. I order them offline and I go in the stores and see what they have in stores, and yeah, it just works for me right now. This is just where I'm at with it, and this is what I like, and I still feel very much so feminine and good after I press them on, glue them on, just like I be feeling good when I leave out the nail salon, okay, baby? All right, y'all, that's it. We got a full set French tip for you, honey. French tip for you, okay? No more than maybe what they was like $6, $7 at Walmart. Can't beat it. All right, now it's time to wash our face mask off. And I'm just gonna chill the rest of the day, y'all. So I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Tap, tap. Let's get it. Girl, you know you fine. Girl, you know you fine. Girl, you know you fine. Girl, you know you fine.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture, I could.
All right. Like I got it all off for the most part. I'm about to pat it dry with some paper towels. Baby, this chair trying to get from up under me. Baby, do you hear me? Woo! So my face feel good and clean. So I feel clean. And I like it. What y'all think? Ooh, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of my moisturizer just to kind of keep it looking good. You're beautiful, it's true. Ooh, it do feel good though. I like doing those little facials, using a little face mask. Just, you know, just feel like I'm just pampering myself. And I feel like all women need to do this. So whether you pay somebody, if you want to go get your face done, go get it done. But, you know, if you want to save a few dollars and do it at home, then this is definitely the route to take. You can go get your little face mask at Target, Walmart, wherever they selling it, and have you a little self-care day and love on you. Because if you don't love you, how you expect somebody else to? Okay, y'all? So I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm probably going to end it at this so I can get this posted for the first week of, the first week in the new year. It has been great. I'm grateful to be here, grateful to be alive, and just grateful. Thank y'all for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights, I don't go. Never been sure, no, I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego?